What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today, I'm the editor of Stereo Minus, as you can see. And I'm going to be buffing it until it becomes impossible. First change, 2 spike jump. This change, 2 spike jump. Changes, 3 spike jump. Look at this, look at this. Oh, yeah, okay. And then we make the jumps further apart, like this. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Triple spike, we're not doing an actual triple spike, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 3. And then we're gonna add a small spike right there. No, not a small spike. We're gonna add one of those right there. Boom, double spike. Boom, double spike. These. How about we make it so you don't just hold? What if you have to light go on it? Like this. And then do that. Copy, paste. And then paste. There we go. Look at this. Look at this gameplay. Look at this gameplay here. Look at this. No. This triple spike. How did I die on the easiest triple spike on the planet? Like this. There we go. And then we have to do. Does this test? Does this work? Okay, no it doesn't. Okay. Boom. 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 Okay. Let's try again. Okay. This is not impossible, bro. Okay. Still, we need to go like that. Let's see if this works now. This is already looking a bit harder. There we go, okay. And then for this, edit. We want to move you there. And then we copy paste. And then we just move this over here so then we can do. There we go. Okay, so now, you know what? Let's add a start position here. And then you can, yeah. There you go, okay. For this, no, we don't want some positions. Okay, copy paste. No, we want you, okay. No, wrong thing. You know, this could work though. There, okay, now we just have to paste. No, wrong thing. Okay, but we could still use one of these. And then copy that, paste. And then we just move this one over here. There we go. Okay. Let's play this. Okay. And then for this, we have to make it a tighter gap. Like, come on, you can't just... Was it just me or was my screen shaking like... Are those... Yeah, those lines are definitely shaking. I've never noticed this. Okay. Wait. This is already hard, though. There we go, okay. So then No, we want you up here. There, and then we build another one right there. Okay. Oh, no. You know what I'm gonna do? Look at this. I want to see if this works out. No, it doesn't. Okay. So what if we just... like that? Okay. Does it even work? So, jump. Okay. We still have to move it down. What if we just click it? Do we have to, like, nah, bro. Nah. There we go, okay. We have that. And we'll keep this transition good, but yeah. That disc. We're just gonna have the whole ground covered with spikes. Or a lot of it. And that should be good for there. So now we need to move it down here. And then boom, boom, bow. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let's just delete all these here. We don't want them here. How about I just grab spikes and I can just place them down? Yeah, let's just do this. Let's make the top good. Just keep the top the same, but then just buff the entirety of the bottom. Like do this. What was the... But we're deleting this. You didn't see anything. Okay. Okay, I have a really good plan for that. So for now, it's just... It looks... Let's need a new start position. Okay, delete the start position. We're adding a new start position right at this transition. Right there. So then we go... Delete that too. Okay. So now we're in the ship section. And now you just can't touch the bottom. Okay, this looks like something you'd see out of Back on Track. Okay. Mega straight fly. No, we're just... Well, undo. Okay. Wait, couldn't I just do this? Rotate. Like that. And then turn off rotate. Just add them all. Yo, is this a W straight fly? Nah, you have to straight fly for stereo madness though. The first part of the ship section isn't that crazy. Then you just get sent into that. How did I get that first try? Okay, we're adding a spike right there. And also now, You can't just drop into this squad. You know what? Yeah. Okay, let's continue placing this coin down. Jump. So now, you actually have to take this route. Oh, okay. The shape section's still pretty easy. You can still just kind of stay at the top. But that's not the point. The point of this is straight play. Yeah. We're deleting this start position. We're adding another start position at the start of the cube. Oh, screen recording saved. Okay. Yeah. For this, what could I do here? Oh. Pure evil. So now, you actually have the time that jump. That's cool. And then for this, tiny spike. There we go. Now, the little tiny spike. You have to jump so late on that. Look. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about the tiny spike. Oh, you can do it. That's perfect. How about that? Oh no. What? Can I turn? I forgot to turn snooze off, and now all these stupid notifications are just popping up. Okay. Red section. Make it actually worth being red. How do we? Yeah. We'll do that. And for this, we'll just add these at the end of that. Okay. Same with this one. Okay. Oh no! What have I created? This has demon potential. Oh nah. Oh, I'm the goat. How about this? Okay. Wait, I need to delete this start position back here. Like halfway through the level. Here. And we're adding that one at the start of the red section. Right here. Okay. What is that start position? Okay. Jump. Oh no. We have to move it. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there. That's not. This isn't even that. It's just this. It's practice mode. This my start position I placed is giving practice mode vibes. Okay. Wait, I want to see what happens if you. We have to test out if you die if you go under. There you go. Okay. What happens if you go under? Yeah, just as you should. For this, tiny spike. Tiny spike. Tiny spike. Ain't no way I had 2 tiny spikes. What have I done? This was one stereo madness. Oh no. Oh no, well, I ran into a problem. It's just after this. Yeah, you don't have time. Okay. We'll just do that then. It's easier, but we had to do it. But we gotta mean no one because no one's watching this video. How? How do you... We'll just keep it normal then. Because apparently it just doesn't want to work any other way. Okay. What on earth? Remember, I said the video would stop when it became impossible. It's not quite impossible yet. Okay. Well, I spoke too soon.